In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and date and time properties in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to log in, and from in there, click on the disk gear icon or the settings icon that we currently have. You just need to locate the property option under the data management. So click on properties right here. Once we're in there, click on the disk create property, and then you can actually generate it using AI or you can create manually. So once you have chosen create manually, you just need to actually choose the object type. For this case, you can choose between contact, deal, invoice, subscription, and the likes. Then enter a property name. For this case, let's enter date. And for the group information, choose right here how you want it to be and add a description. So let's input right here date. Once you're done with that, you can head over and click on create option. And from in there, you should be able to use it and create it. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.